Angisasikhathi nami emidlalweni e-Ace Coach kwi-Ace the Coach podcast show nje basathi-ke kusemidlalo eminyenti isicithekabe ikhona imidlalo-ke nelembelesano lesibuya kuyo lapha nje ebholeni letinyawo kuhamba kahle eqenjini lesive laseBrazil ukhumbule ukuthi-ke ngibo kuphela abawin World Cup mahlandla lasihlanu 5 ma-World Cup balandzele lapha nje iqembu lesive lapha nje lase-Germany kepha nje akuhamba kahle sibonile-ke Neymar egcineni ushayela igoli igame yakhe yokugcina ku-World Cup phinde wakalelisa futhi ku-international akaze aphinze adlale kuliqembu lesive laseBrazil sibonile-ke striker skorako lapha nje Erling Haaland ushaya amagoli lamabili so nguye bana Messi nalapha nje Mbappe bobathathu banamagoli lang7 ubalekile lapha nje kuye World Cup nje banasathi na Ronaldo ugcoka jersey number 7 phaya nawo nemagoli amathathu nje kuphela kwenyenti-ke sibe sibuka ukuthi imidlalo nje basathi ukuthi nje ema-transfer window akhona siyayibona futhi ne-ABC Municipal League into becala nje emaduzane baqalile nje lama amaqembu abuka abadlali amanye aku-pre-season fakers lapha nje kuyi-Mississippi Foundation Championship sibonile season iqembu lidlala khaya Nasty Bees already sibona umqeqeshi lemusha Dan Kendle Kesa sibonile futhi ne-Kruger United nabamqeqeshi lobuthi Lotto beasekela lapha nje lesibonile Joel Masutha kanzi futhi sibonile futhi ekugcineni seyintshiwe lapha nje i-Premier Cup nje besathi kusiphambilini kufanele udlale Solomon Mahlangu 19 July ke lokumnanzi balandzeli nibathanzi belibhola nyawo la Mpumalanga etebela kaNyamazane Stadium kusho khona ukuthi nje imphathi asesesikhathi kubilela kwamukele ku-Ace the Coach podcast show nje basathi kusinawo bekuzala ukhona ebhola nyawo before uye eMasulu uyovula iHlanzeni United bakhona kuNyamazane All Stars kepha nje angisasesikhathi kubikelele sakumukele sibonge ukuthi sikucelile ube khona namuhla.
Ngiyabonga Ace the Coach for the invitation ukuthi ngibe khona namuhla on your podcast. We really appreciate and siyabonga lokho.
Sibonge futhi na Prima nebahleli bonke be-Premier Cup ike bakhona before kepha nje yanyamalala sabona nje lokho akhona Prima sina 4 maqembu la ekhaya eMpumalanga sina emabili ku-PSL iKruger icesa kuphonyotha neTS Galaxy sinamabili iCrystals neThe Bees ku-Mississippi Foundation Championship uthini lokho eMpumalanga usinathi sibe hosta ma-teams lamani ku-Premier Cup itobe kaNyamazane Stadium mhla ka-19 July.
It's a motivation coach ukuthi ubone i-government ingenela ngalendlela ingenela ngakhona. Remember lamalanga lawo we used to see it ku-KZN. KZN is the one that used to have this Premier Cup but manje ibuya ku-province yethu. Almost every season now the Premier uyivulile ukuthi kube ne-Premier Cup and sinawo ke lama team njengoba usho sinanga about 4 teams in a participate. To us as football lovers, as citizens of the province, it's really motivation to see the government yaseMpumalanga ithatha initiative ukuthi ipartake ibe part and parcel of football ukuthi yakhe tournament lefana lendlela. And I'm happy ukuthi seyisukile eMsoboni Mahlangu yeku center. I think manje kaNyamazane it's center. It's accessible abasuka eNkomazi abasuka eBush abasuka eWitbank bakhona kuda iMbombela it's center. So yeah, I think it's going to be a very good and a huge tournament. We're looking forward to it.
And then mphasi kuqhubeka kuloko sinathuma team ku-PSL for the first time emlandweni wethu la ekhaya kusho ukuthindwa kwibhola letinyawo also futhi naku-Mississippi Foundation Championship sinathuma maqembu kepha nje ku-PSL mlando lo sibe nathuma team le season le kuyo i-Betway Premiership iKruger neTS Galaxy
ukhomba growth. Remember the signs were there. If you look at the development lesibe nayo in the province, I want to look at for the first time sibanene under 17 league a foreign under 17 Safa League. It was a sign you could say we are going somewhere as a province in football. If you can check Kruger United for 3 years say ku PSL
akuvami kwendeka
akuvami kwendeka
kwegcina ngeChippa United
team establish manje already say ku PSL it combat a growth and talent less now in the province. Now we are saying to the province we can compete at the highest level. I mean, our team to South Africa can compete at the highest level as the province, and it's showing. The following year, after promoting Kruger, the Bees also went on. Naya actually promotion kutsingene Mississippi Foundation. Ba compete abane Kruger Mississippi Foundation. Last season Kruger went to the PSL. Promotion to the PSL. It's growth. it's growth. It's unfortunate that team lesibenayo kuma playoffs ibe seyaphuma kuma group stages after they had a very good run.
Little
It's very rare ukuthi team as the coach ukuthi iphume in a 4-point. Initially, when you have 4-point, you qualify for the next round. But
sure, not to say tough.
It was not say tough. It was we went there to compete. We didn't just go there just because
to add numbers.
The guys, they really played their hearts out, and they competed. It was not meant to be. But as the province, we're very proud. We growth ace. We've got 2 teams. We can have 3 teams. We can have many teams as long as Nangabe Sendagahle, like in terms of football, we'll get things right.
So kancane vele season ukuthi sibe ne-Crystal Stars ngicabanga iphazamise ukuthi ibe ne-run lenhle ku-Nedbank Cup. Yeah, sibonge ke namuhla sinemphathi welicembu le ehlanzeni angathi ukuthi singasimphasi kumbe imphasi welicembu likhona lehlanzeni wetheji basathi ukuthi nje sikude temidlalo abanyendi balandzele ibhola letinyawo ku-ABC Municipal League Municipal Foundation Championship kanye futhi nakuyo iBetway Premiership kanti ke nje basibona silecembu leGroup United nalo licale phansi le ku-ABC NDBC Municipal Foundation Championship acala nabo kula ku-ABC nje basibona namuhla esigcoke nje yona i-ABC nje mina ngibona nje ngigcoke Liverpool Brothers lapha nje ethola mahashe nayo liphethe lapha nje Mr. Amkela Gazide naye futhi imphathi impendulo emkhabelo lapha nje Masibuli nje wabona nayo representa iqembu lakhe ihlanzeni United asikene kuyo ke imphathi because balandzeli bajabula kakhulu man for the first time imphathi bocala kwendeka kuloko ku-ABC Municipal League lelinyawo lendangala ukuthi wende ilaunch ikhumbula kahle balanza bantu basetubula just bantu nje balanza Bernard Parker bekakhona lapha eMatsulu kule launch walanza futhi umqeqeshi bekakhona lapha kule launch waphinza futhi inakakho we Dikhash bekakhona ku Cup bona Park nebekakhona lapha kule cembu lelo kule launch yakho ekhasi ulauncha lapha nje Masulu community hall kuyo iMunicipal Foundation Championship usi for the first time yeah bengikhona usi for the first time kutoba nelicembu eMatsulu letudla lapha nje kuyo Municipal Foundation ku-ABC Municipal League yeah coach beyakhona that day okhula la ekhaya eMpumalanga simbonile nje McDonald Markhubeti enda kahle kumacembu amanyengi nanyalo ku-PSL nayo lomunye futhi lo ufake etandla labanye badlali Fecus Boshus kude lo wena nje ngawo umphathi ukuthi wende i-launch ulanze high profiles even nema guest lapha beyakhona ngikhumbula even nema host bolanze shoti lapha angathi kusutosini bangibona lapha kanzi futhi bolanza nemsakathi futhi lapha nje ekwalakwaleni mphathi before siye deep wacabanga kanjani ukuthi hayi man asingene something unique khasi ulaunch licembu leHlanzeni United for the first time lapha nje eMatsulu kube ne launch malicembu lifika nje usikhombisa kuside something lepheka koletako lapha nje eMatsulu.
Yeah, no, I think we wanted to introduce football again in Matsulu. Remember, Matsulu bese inyama lebholeni for a very long time. So we wanted to have a proper foundation of football by bringing in the so-called former players and current players labor corner. Yeah, so that you can say to the community of Matsulu, community of Mpumalanga, football has resurrected Matsulu. It was a very successful launch. It was broadcasted in one of the pages, and it was the viewership. It was awesome. You can tell, in every part of the province and of the country, people were watching that particular launch. It was a very good launch, if I must say. I was very humbled. As we have said, a lot of people there, we just wanted to say, football is back in Matsulu. That's all we wanted to say. Yeah.
Walanza nabo buhle lapha ekwalakwaleni.
Yes.
Kambe ngibani lo hosta i-afternoon drive.
Fortune Tegade, Senzo S. Yeah. A lot of them, at least they were.
Sure, nomphasi usu-connected.
No, it's not. It's not a matter of being connected. When you want to do something with nagenda kahle, you go all out, and when you sell the idea to people, this is what you want to do for the community. And then, yeah, those people will definitely buy to your idea. Like your Abdul Khoza was also there. He bought to the idea, said, no, I'll be there. It's okay. As long as it's football, we'll be very happy.
ngiyabona walandzana namphasi lapha we-Forex bumateu amphasi nanyalo wonke umuntu sekhuluma ngayo kude lo munye lowayenda even after wena solo azange wayenda labaningi mphasi abantu ukuthi wena bongaqala ngehlanzeni ubo involve kutsala ebholeni ungawasitshela kabanti ukuthi wacala kanjani ukuba involve ebholeni uyithanza ibhola until uzovula icembu.
Yeah, uqala nje, if you go mention the name of Fortune Sibiya, Forex, is always supportive in terms of football matters in the province. He lives football, he loves football. I've learned a lot from him. He's a guy that is very much dedicated in football. I was very humbled, and he earned my respect. Nakavula in when he sponsored the Safa Forex under 17. We've if sema-professional players, there's a boy odlala ku-TS Galaxy ubuya ku-Safa Forex under 17. So the league bakhona against Sundowns. So the league yakhomba ukuthi it was not a Mickey Mouse league. I also participated as Ihlanze United. I remember the season le bengikhona ngayo ebholeni Ihlanze nikhona. It was run professionally, and bobona ukuthi siyakhula as the province. To come back again to your next question, yeah, it was not the first time ngingena kuHlanzeni or ngena ngeHlanzeni nebhola eMpumalanga. I was part and parcel. I was the chairman of Kanyamazane All Stars. Bengina Mr. Khoza. Wakanyamazana, the owner of Kanyamazana All Stars. So ngaqala lapho to introduce myself ebholeni eMpumalanga. We ran for a season, then after a season, then I therefore said, let's establish Ihlanze United.
And then kuba kwakho ku Kanyamazane All Stars bokuyiplan ukuthi ufuna kufunza so that ukhona usuthi manager yakho licembu uvule licembu kumbe mhlambe uloko kwendeke along the way kumbe mhlambe bokuplan yakho uthi hayi mana singihlanganise nebantu labasebholeni ngifunze something so that nami ngenda something because mphasi usurprisile especially Matsulu bese ngicabanga singahle sibone licembu.
It was not about ukuthi ngifuna kufunza. I've learned a lot from Mr. Khoza. He's a good administrator of football. Take nothing away from him. He knows football. He knows how to administer football. It was an outcry from the community as a Matsulu. You know, when they see one of their own, owner Qembu, Kanyamazane, and then they think, but why we'll support the team full force. That's what we've done. We just responded to the outcry community yasematsulu. That's all that we've done.
Yeah, and then sabuke bese for the first time eMatsulu siyabona kuba nelicembu ku-ABC Municipal League.
Yes.
Sibona Ihlanze United ifike njani le-idea emphakathi ukuthi awusevukele icembu eMatsulu.
Njengoba ngisho, it was an outcry from the community. It was the vision was always there ukuthi Matsulu should have a football team. Matsulu is big, and we've got good players at Matsulu. We've got former professional players at Matsulu. The assistant coach Ihlanzeni Usandile Malombo, he went on to play Bobit Vazve usuke Matsulu. Got nekudala Matsulu. So ikhona ibhola eMatsulu. It was very painful ukuthi iMatsulu ikhulu kangaka ihlale ngabi ne team yebhola edlala ku-ABC Municipal League or ku-Municipal Foundation or even the PSL. Yeah, that's all that we tried to do. We just tried to say to the community, here's the team, and the team was well supported. The community never disappointed. The community made sure the team they went forward. Yeah,
usabala bo Malombo Sandile nami I'm born from Masulu, ngaseMasulu vele.
Even yourself wasemathula.
Yeah, ngaseMasulu nje bonke bo green,
Yeah.
boMolombo, boMawili,
Yes.
kwenye bonke balapha eMasulu. Yamkhumbula boDodo.
Yeah, exactly.
Boledodo.
Exactly.
BoMzambia, yabo.
Exactly.
Kusho kona ukuthi vele eMasulu
Those were professional players. So all these players that we are mentioning, bekudalwa eMatsulu, bahlele eMatsulu. But eMatsulu bengana team.
Baze bamba bodlala ephesheya under 23 badlala against Manchester United akora against Boniki Party Dodo. And then umphathi balanzeli bayithanza manje icembu le ehlanzeni lisalibona first season ile challenger lapha kusiri kancane ukuthi sibabone ba kuma playoff bangena ku ABC kanzi ben compete nelicembu lebangadi bebangathi ukuthi ben compete nelicembu le Kruger wagcina kwamba iKruger le season leyo sitshela kabantu ngale run yakho le season leyo.
That was a season and a half. It was a very much interesting season. It was a season that was very much interesting. People they don't know Ace. They thought maybe myself and Kruger United chairmen were fighting. Because nakudlala on weekend, we used to call each other every Sunday or Mondays of the games, analyze my game
Usindlele njani?
as a chairman, and we were saying doctor, so it was a good run of a season. We pushed. It was not meant to be. Itlanzeni from the first game until the last game, we have never occupied position below number 3 on the log. We've been number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have never occupied a position below that particular position. So it was a tough season, very interesting season. I-community yaseMpumalanga yayithanza le season leyo. And kwabonakala noma sekuma playoffs nangabe ungathatha the 3 teams that were competing, any of these 3 teams they were going to win my playoffs, because if you see Kruger United winning, there was Hlanzeni you win, even if you could take it Destiny were also one of the teams that were competing that Destiny College that season. They were going to win the playoffs. Ngalendlela be tough ngikhona le season. So we had a good run. And I'm happy that our season produced a PSL team. Loku Kruger United team bes compete nayo. It went on to win my playoffs, to win the league for 2 seasons. Bahleli ku Mtsipe Foundation by winner. Now they're back PSL. So I'm saying let them try and maintain their PSL status. Bantu baseMpumalanga ba enjoy ball. But that season it was a great season. It was a season to remember.
Ngikhumbula walenza ama player lapha bomlungisi boSicelo Serero sambona nje bekashaya amagoli la season kuyo i-The Bees nabomlungu umsebole crop nebo shoes boselpi. Most of the players labaningi bobajwayela lapha eMatsulu tukwerazo under Mahashani kwabanjani macembu lamanye zangathembe khasi uAnnounce ukusula nje obalanza njani especially bebedlala lapha nje futhi Barberton All Stars nayo becompete le season leyo.
I think as we are mentioning Mahashani, he played a very huge role, because remember Mahashani was part of the team of Itlanzeni. He was a manager. He was a senior manager in the team of Itlanzeni. He played a very huge role on bringing on those players to come, but odlala Itlanzeni. They believed in him, so nakakhuluma nabo and also sikhuluma nebaphathi beBarberton All Stars kwabalula ukuthi basinike labadlali, because we were competing, and they played their hearts out. If you can check, badlala abaningi badlalela iHlanze United to show ukuthi we had a team and with quality. Unfortunately, only one team can be champions, not 2 teams. Whether be kuHlanzeni, whether be kuKruger, whether be kuDes, but only one team could be champions. If you can check Snabu Junior Nyati, the former Fruited Stars badlale ku PSL Bisnabo manje badlale the base udlalele crew wadlala the base on a professional level after eHlanzeni we had Bovuyo Macina wasematsulu he went on after the season wahamba udlala Milford as we speak now win league
in Milford
win league ne Hotspur Singers Hotspur Swaziland because besadlala in Singers Hotspur yes lamaning almost 80% 60-20% of our players they went on to play professional Paulo Sibadlela in the piece they went on to play on a professional level. Both junior, they went on to play go the bees na Kruger.
Stelo
Serrero. I think he was the second top goal scorer this season.
This season there was a Tambega leader for
there was a Tambega leader and we were praying for him to be top goal scorer. They really it chose good we had a team, but it was not meant to be at that time. But the team we have assembled a good team and a good technical team, I must say, that was being led by coach Rezin Chilwane. In the middle of the season, he brought in fresh ideas because we refresh the team and to bring in new ideas. Salanza, Coach Mpumi, Coach Akforek, if I'm not mistaken. He came in and it was a really good run and we don't regret that season. We tried our best. It was not meant to be. Sapuma number 2, I take it.
And then personally, a question, into singulanze, ubuka lapha nje kubalandzeli nebathanzi belibhola lenyawo bonke nje ngaphandle kwematsulu bakhala mphathi funa uchaze mphathi uthini eHlanzeni yabuya noma njani.
I think iHlanzeni ekuhamba kwayo Ace let's break it down. If we still have time, let's break it down. I said, Hlanzeni asibuyi the following season. Ngafaka ama reasons why singabuyi. Number 1, i-clubhouse isematsulu. Namanje ukhona i-clubhouse ematsulu. But asina stadium, asina field, no training field, no stadium, nothing altogether. So basi trainer eKanyamazane or sibuye sto trainer in Nelspruit phakathi edrobheni now Ennelsville ground Ennelsville that's where we used to train and now actually every day these players they were traveling it's about 400 and something kilometers a week for training alone so they're always on the road why we've tried so much remember Tsatsenjwa Stadium, nasilonje wathola eMstolonga second we were there but it never happened. So to come back again and to stress yourself against this traveling again, number 1 it's expensive to go always on the road for training. We come back and then we travel for games again. Dlala Kanyamazane Stadium, also dlala away KwaNdebele Bofeni, Botulamahashi and all we're always traveling. So basically a facility. It's in a team but with no facilities. Mhlawumbe naibuya Seto
ucaca umngase mhlawumbe yabuya noma
mhlawumbe
because bafuna kwathi yabuya noma ibuya
isakhiwa manje Matsulu mhlawumbe when the stadium is there and sibona ukuthi everything now it's in place will Hlanzeni is not dead will definitely come back but for now while he set the facility Matsulu I'm safe to say we are not
nele season le uyagcwalisa mlomo uthi ayikho 2026 2027 until the stadium eMatsulu
seba right we can talk after such stadium eMatsulu we can talk after that see under construction let's allow the processes the construction iphele then we can talk ukuthi manje Hlanzeni United iyabuya and I promise the people of Matsulu people of the province Hlanzeni will come back but given that we have got our own facilities so that we can minimize the cost and minimize the travelings.
And then ngoba impossible so uvisile bakancane balandzeli basemathulu and then siyabuka sibalile kunabo green babuye emathulu badlalile ku PSL bomawili bododo sibabalile bonke labo bosandile umsebuka le standard le basethile nyalo indlela kudlala kakhona libhola do you see mhlawumbe labayibadlali from emathulu sibabona baya embili.
Definitely. I've just made an example ngavuyo manje. Une league nensingizi Hotspur in Swaziland. And I remember I was competing in Milford, the past season.
Milford now say promotive foods.
Promotive man. So it shows good already that transition from those players to this crop of players. It's there. And Lowos Ngakbalekeli, both have done well. And there are other. We've got quality players, Matul. We've got Botsepo that can still reach with the quality that they have. They can still reach. Parker. And then now Snap Paulos, Matul Paulos Ngoman, that is playing professionally with the bees. So Matul is always having professional players on their hand that were always making sure they are there on the football setup. So we are not bad in terms of producing quality. Matsuru quality people, and they are players. Matsuru, I can tell you that they are players. Matsuru.
And then personally, are you involved with any team or sports or you need to sahlelo relax until Matsuru Stadium is long? You good involved.
Bugeli World Cup, Bugela Ibola. Supporting Kruger United, I'm supporting the Bees, I'm supporting TS Galaxy, I'm supporting Kasrik, and I'm supporting Orlando Pirates.
And then you saw lapho uhambile captain in 2000.
It was about time. Let the boy go and grow. Cool in terms of football. I'm happy with the Pirates. Ayawabambla badlali yaba-release abakhona ukuthi bate-express. They've done the same thing with Nkotha. He went out
Mbogazi before.
Done the same thing with Mbogazi. We saw World Cup because the boy has grown. Akusasilo Mbogazi lo sukela. He has grown, and we are hoping ukuthi President Ema 2000 Lemfukeng naye he will definitely do the same. I can tell you there's quality in Rele. He will give us more since manje ayodlala Europe.
And then sibuka ama teams 8 lamabili the Bees ufile Juli Masutha la season oba sizisa bangayi relegation balanza Dan Kende Chesa, and then also iKruger United qualifyile udlala between Premiership balanza Juli Masutha assistant coach. Ungathini ngalama teams amabili manje since bawinile ku technical team yabo?
I'm just happy with the Kruger United. They've retained Abraham Mongoya. I'm happy with that. Mhlambe in terms of the assistant coaches, they have their own presence. Joel Masutha left the base out of relegation. We hope Kutsi Duncan Chesa will come in and hit the ground running. We want to see the bees competing. We want to see the bees doing well.
Mphathi si the Coach podcast show ngiyabonga ukuthi sicelile kusayi asikulanze kakhulukadi ngicabanga sibajabulile bavile nje balandzeli basemathulu neMpumalanga yonke especially eHlanzeni United kusi hayi into bakhona licembu makutolonga stadium sithatha lelithuba sibonga kakhulu asembe ukuthi nje nanyilanga mhlambe sithophenzise sekulanze manje mhlambe konke sekulungile ngale mathulu sibone licembu asibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho angibonga kakhulu ukuthi ube khona usihonorishe sabonga umsebenzi wawende mathulu ukuthi uyifake emephini. Unfortunately ma-cost ngele bakuphazamisa kusakhona ukuchubeka nje wasobalile izathu takho.
Ngiyabonga nabalandzeli bakho. Thank you so much.
Angibonga kakhulu. Yes, sasibekela ngike mphathi Mpendulo Mkhabela lapha nje eMathulu lo beka lesicembu le eHlanzeni United ku ABC Multiplic. Sisivile ke lihambo lakhe nokuthi nje hamba njani ngelicembu. Asithathe sibekela The Coach ku The Coach podcast show.